Let's turn this Col Timber's multi-purpose panel and pine timber into a trendy side table. Just add metal hairpin legs. Let's get started. I'm going to cut this multi-purpose pine panel to size, and then I'm going to cut the timber to size. And it's going to make a rectangle shape. So I'm transferring my measurements to the pine timber, making sure everything is square and making my markings. And then I'm using a circular saw to make the cuts. The multi-purpose pine panel is now cut. And now I can cut the timber that is the sides of the rectangle. All the pieces are now cut to size, ready for sanding and staining. I'm using 120 grit sandpaper and an orbital sander and sanding all the edges and surfaces smooth. Wipe and brush down the pieces of wood so that all the sawdust is removed. And then you can get to staining. I'm using a wood stain and sealer 2-in-1 product. I'm applying the first coat, we'll allow that to dry, and then I'll apply a second coat. Now that all the wood pieces are dry and stained, we can get to the assembly. Create a rectangle shape, then secure the pieces of wood together using wood glue on the joins, drilling in pilot holes, and then securing with the appropriate length wood screws. Turn on the underside and secure the hairpin legs. This DIY is now complete, and that's how easy it is to create your own piece of furniture that has a mid-century feel and that is trendy for either the bedroom or anywhere in the home. We hope that you enjoyed this DIY project and feel inspired. And remember to follow us for more DIY ideas.